To set up Klarna Pay in 4. Start by understanding what it is. Klarna Pay in 4 is a payment service that allows customers to split their purchases into 4 interest-free installments. As a merchant, integrating this service can enhance the shopping experience for your customers and increase sales. First, ensure you have a Klarna account. If you don't have one, sign up on the Klarna website. Fill out the registration form with your business information and follow the prompts to complete the setup process. Next, navigate to the Klarna dashboard and click on the Payment Methods tab. Here, you will find the option to activate Klarna Pay in 4. Click on Activate and follow the instructions to complete the setup. You may need to provide additional information about your business, such as your average order value and return policy. After activating Klarna Pay in 4, you need to integrate it into your online store. Klarna provides plugins and APIs for various e-commerce platforms, making the integration process straightforward. If you are using a popular platform like Shopify or WooCommerce, you can download the Klarna plugin and follow the installation instructions. Once integrated, customers can select Klarna Pay in 4 as a payment option at checkout. They will be prompted to enter their email address and phone number, and then they can review the payment schedule. The first payment is due at the time of purchase, and the remaining 3 payments are due every 2 weeks. As a merchant, it is essential to clearly communicate the terms and conditions of Klarna Pay in 4 to your customers. Make sure to display the Klarna Pay in 4 logo and payment information prominently on your website, so customers know this option is available. By following these steps, you can easily set up Klarna Pay in 4 and offer your customers a flexible and convenient payment option. This can lead to increased sales, improved customer satisfaction, and a competitive edge in the market.